Hi guys! Are you currently thinking about maybe buying a lot and building on it so you can have what we call a construction loan? Or are you thinking just buying a property who needs a lot of repair and then you just want to do a renovation loan? The main difference between these two is one, you have to buy the lot and have a specific lender that will be willing to lend you the money, and of course have a contractor that would build you the house for you, or you can do a renovation loan, and then my friend Camille will go ahead and explain and break it down that for you. My name is Danielle Bilumbu. I'm with DBK Real Estate, and here's Camille with Import Mortgage.
Thank you, Danielle.
Could you talk to us a little bit more about renovation loan?
Yes, so the renovation loans can come for conventional home style, what we call, or FHA loans. They're pretty much similar. Their goal is basically that you are renovating, you're doing cosmetics for kitchen repairs, bathroom repairs, or the outside, or extension of square footage. Mm-hmm. These are strategically and universally recognized ways to improve the value of your home at the predictable and controllable cost.
So, Camille, tell me, how much money do I need to bring down in order for me to have a renovation loan?
If it's your primary home, your personal home, you can go down to 3%.
Okay, that's down, and it has to be conventional.
Yes.
But if it's my secondary home?
Secondary home, you can go to 10% down.
Okay.
And that's the minimum, up to 90% loan to value. And if it's an investment home, that too would be 15%.
Okay, and how does that work? Now I have the loan. Do you need to talk to the contractor? Do you need to talk to the inspector?
Yes.
How does that work?
Yes, you need to qualify the contractor. You need to, the contractor and the inspector need to agree on what are the items, what is the estimated repairs.
Okay.
And you will also need to have an idea of what the after repair value would be. And we will definitely start the loan on the purchase price.
Okay.
And at the end, adjust it to the after repair value. Meanwhile, we had a full contractor plan, a full approved contractor plan, based on which we will do the renovation part of the loan and roll it into one mortgage.
Okay,
so you will not have two interest rates to pay or two closing sets of closing costs. You just have an additional item in the fees that is related to the renovation, and we can go into that, but it's not a different fee.
And the interest rate is also competitive?
The interest rate is competitive.
What's the average?
You have, it will be the same, it will be similar interest rate. It's not, there is no obvious bump in the interest rate premium for making a renovation. No. No, and actually you have an FHA program that's called the Renovation to 3K. And FHA is by definition designed for average credit scores, low down payment, desires for low down payment. So one of the programs in FHA.
Okay, this is great. So if you're currently thinking about doing that, here's the man. Just give us a call, contact us, email us, and we're here to help you. And thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.
Yeah, see you next time.